Let's talk about alternate interior angles and how to identify them. First off, alternate interior angles, they lie between the two lines on opposite sides of the transversal. Also, they are congruent. So let's talk about this. So between the two lines on opposite sides of the transversal. So usually you're going to be given a diagram like this. It will have little triangles on it like this that means that you are dealing with parallel lines, right? And a transversal T that goes through. So let's label this. So inside of the parallel lines, that is your interior. Okay? When it says on alternate or on opposite sides of the transversal, let's talk about that. So opposite sides means if this is one side of the transversal, opposite sides means we're looking at that side and this side. These are opposite sides, the blue and the green. So inside and opposite sides. So we're looking at these angles 3, 4, 5, and 6. The ones that are on opposite sides are 3 and 6. The ones that are on the same side are 3 and 5. Do you see the difference? All right, so now what I want you to do anytime you see one of these diagrams, you don't have to highlight it, but what I do want you to do is I want you to take your pencil and get another color here. I want you to go into these angles and I want you to mark the opposite angles. See how I did that? The top left, the bottom right, those are opposite of each other. The top left, the bottom right, those are opposite of each other. Okay, and then you're also going to go in and do the other set of opposite angles, but you're going to color code them a different color. If you're just working in pencil, you could also do double lines instead of single lines. Okay. Now, when you're dealing with a diagram like this, why are we color coding them? The orange angles are congruent. The pink angles are congruent to each other. So now, if we identify alternate interior angles, or let's remember what that was. Opposite sides of the transversal on the interior. So angle 3 and angle 6. Look, angle 3 and angle 6 have the same color. So what do we know about alternate interior angles? They are congruent. So then that means you can look at this and go, okay, so angle 3 is congruent to angle 6 because they're alternate interior angles. That's the definition. So then also, real quick, angle 5 is on the opposite side of angle 4. They're both on the interior. They are alternate interior angles. And look, they're the same color. That means they are congruent. So, angle 4 and angle 5 are congruent because they're alternate interior angles. Have a great day.